Passive income is 100% seldom, but while you have to do something to earn money or cash rewards, who said that something has to be difficult? And that's the beauty of passive income apps. Whether you get paid to invest in portfolios or to save money off groceries, it is possible to earn money outside of your 9 to 5, and you do so in a way that requires very little effort. Although you won't get rich overnight, but passive income apps that offer cash payout help you build emergency funds, and the ones that offer gift card rewards help you get some extra virtual cash to make purchases that don't fit into your budget. But if this is the content you're looking for, then please consider subscribing to this channel because it's a small community and we are not going to grow this channel without your support. And also consider giving us a thumbs up because it's free and it also serves as a motivation to me. I'm sending some love your way. Number one is Honeygain. Sell your unused data to Honeygain, okay? This is a passive income app that monitors and collects web usage and traffic data from connected devices. And it pays you for this information and reports it to e-commerce, advertising, and web intelligence companies. Well, it's available on Android, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux devices. All you have to do to earn passively with Honeygain is to run the app in the background. Earnings vary, okay? The amount of money you make depends on the traffic sent to your device, which can be influenced by your location, your internet speed, and how many IP addresses you connect to Honeygain. With 3 connected devices, you can be making $19 per month or $230 a year. The next one is Dosh. Shop with mobile cash apps, okay? If you want a hassle-free app that gives you cash back anytime you make a purchase at participating outlet, then download the Dosh app on your smartphones. Unlike similar apps, Dosh app automatically deposits cashbacks without you having to scan or upload receipts, okay? It makes things easy. All you have to do is to shop as you usually would and watch your cash back. You can even let Dosh influence your spending decisions to increase your passive income yield. For instance, before you grocery shop, check Dosh's merchants, okay, to shop where you will get the most cash back. And once you've earned $25 in your Dosh wallet, you can cash out through PayPal or your bank account. Number 3 is Swagbucks. When you use Swagbucks search engine, the more you search, the more you earn. And anytime you search something through Swagbucks, you stand a chance to earn SB points, which amounts to roughly $1 per 100 SB points. Once you've earned 300 SB points, you can cash out using PayPal or gift cards to stores like Amazon, Target, and Walmart. And to keep earning, just don't stop at the search engine because Swagbucks offer other ways to make money, okay, like answering survey questions and playing games and watching videos. Sweatcoin. Take a step at a time to earn passive income. This app is available for Android phones and iPhones. Sweatcoin app pays you to work and it rewards you with coins known as SWCs for every step you take. With the SWC, you can earn money from your everyday step and you can exchange them into purchase goods, services, and experiences ranging from Apple Watches, and many more. Apple Watches, high-tech shoes, and many more. Sometimes Rewards can even be in cash deposited into your PayPal. Number 5 is a juicy one. It's called On My Way app. You get paid to do not text and drive. For every mile you drive without texting, you get $0.05. And when you refer a friend, you score $2 upfront, and when this friend signs up and uses the app, you earn $0.02 for every time they drive, for every mile they drive and don't text. On My Way app lets you earn passively. You can redeem store cards, cash cards, access discounted offers on a daily basis. To sign up, go to their website and enter your phone number. Then download the data collection app through the link you receive. Once you sign in, On My Way will automatically activate anytime you drive over 10 mph, as well as disable text alerts and app alerts. The last one for today is App Voice. Instead of surfing the web for free, add the App Voice extension to your browser and let it track your ads in exchange for daily points that you can redeem as gift cards to stores like eBay, Target, Sephora, and many more. App Voice participating sites include YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Okay, so if you browse any one or more of these sites with the App Voice extension on, you earn 10 tokens daily, which means if you browse through Twitter for 15 days in a month, you get 150 tokens. So in the first year, App Voice says that you can make $75 in token rewards.